Yes, sir! Somebody caught the freaking woods on fire. Oh, shit, I see that. That's crazy. Somebody out here catching the woods on fire. Jesus.
Flares, cuz.
Oh my goodness. Is that what you're gonna feel? They're gonna put some smoke bombs in the back. I'm probably gonna do mine the same right there. That actually looks pretty good.
It does.
Update. Mine's right here, fully taped up. We're gonna put a little bit more smoke bombs on the back and keep you updated. See where Bash is doing. You gonna put one on the top too? Like behind it? Molten core? Molten core. Shout out to Molten core. Alright Bash, how do we do this? Do we just, okay, so we stick this. This goes here.
Poke a hole in that bumper.
You got your shoe ready?
No, I'll take it off though.
Okay, apparently you just put glue. Shout out to Molten Core for sending these out to us. So technically what these are literally just titanium blocks that stick onto your shoe, and when you drag your foot, it shoots out an insane amount of sparks. And the shifter's gonna be right there, but alright. Look at that. What do you look at it? Why is this thing is so cool? Look at what is going on here, boys? Somebody caught the freaking woods on fire. Oh shit, I see that. That's crazy. Somebody out here catching the woods on fire, boys. That's crazy. I hope the firemen's come and fix that. That's crazy. Gotta be time. We met up with Adam. We got Bash. We're doing two different locations. I'm going first. I got mine lit up with a Roman candle under it, and I got a smoke bomb in the back. We got a location ready to go, so we're hoping to do it, film it, and then I got them filming with the camera, and I got the GoPro rolling. So I'll update you guys when we get closer. We're about to get real here in a minute. This is where we're gonna start. Then I'm gonna pop it up. Actually, we're gonna start a little bit further up. A little bit more further up. We'll start right here. Alright.
A lot of traffic.
I know. You guys are gonna have to help me block it too. Alright, we're recording. I can't hold it because then I'm gonna, oh. There, I got you. Perfect. The big one got lit.
Are you ready for this? Oh, I can see my name under big lights. It sure looks good to me. I'm coming up now, I'm ready for the big time. I'm gonna be hard to beat. Oh, I'm a hard act to fight.
I don't think the big one got lit. The little one. Both look like they caught. There's a cop right there. Huh?
Right there.
Yeah, I see that.
They're on that on-ramp. We gotta go somewhere else.
Hey, follow me. There's a cop right on the fucking on-ramp where we were at.
Where that car was.
Yeah, we gotta go that way. There's only one exit. We're gonna have to pass him fast. Oh no, he took off. We gotta do it fast. We gotta go fast. We gotta do it fast. We gotta do it fast. Yeah, he left. All right, hold on. Hey, is my GoPro still clicking?
Wait.
Hey, is it still clicking? Is it on? Okay, we're good. It didn't light. Turned off. So at this point, it didn't light up again, and we were getting really frustrated because this was the third time and there was a cop circling around, so we had to pick a different location, and we just figured we'd go a little bit closer into downtown, and we're just pretty much cruising until we find a good little spot to hit, and we come to this spot, and we're like, screw it, let's do it here. It's not lighting. Hey, be careful, it has really low. Scratch it with your finger, yeah. Watch out. Car. Alright. Let's try it. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh yeah, we're on, baby.
Let your feel go, be the best. Like a sequel to the quest. This is what we live for. Oh, undefeated. Take your mark, we're gonna set this off. And we're ringing from the parking lot. Place your bet and kick it up a notch. Time to give it everything we got. Victoria is made for us. Victoria, leave them in the dust. Victoria is made for us.
There you go. We got it. Ah, I kind of burned my finger. My feet though. We got it. Ah! Remember. Hey, we good? Wait till it turns all the way on. Yeah, hold on. Go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Let's go! Yes, sir! Let's go! Yes, sir. Live, baby, yeah. That's how it's done, boys. Did you get it? Oh, it turned. Is it on?